let's solve. Choose one question. I will solve for you. Then I will choose a question for you. Okay.
Teacher, C.
In which question first?
The third text. The third.
Third exercise, C.
Yes.
Okay. It's the easiest one, by the way.
Yeah, I know, but I choose it.
You chose the easiest one for me. Thank you very much, Salman.
No problem.
Now, in C, here, we have multiplication between the fractions. In the others, we have addition, subtraction, but here we have multiplication. So first, we will do the multiplication here. And then I will have, let me write the question, times 1 over root of 3 plus, not plus, but minus root 3. Now what will be? In multiplication, when we have multiplication of two fractions, we're multiplying numerator with numerator, which will be 1 times 1, 1. And this one, we have root in a same root. Can I write that? In a same root?
Yeah.
3 plus root 3 times 3 minus root 3. So as you see here, I have the multiplication of conjugates, yes? So what it will be? 1 over root of, this one will be 3 square minus root 3 square, yes? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then what I will have? 1 over root of 9 minus, this one is 3. Yes. Then it will be 1 over root of 6. Now I have a radical expression, and now I need to rationalize the denominator. And what I will do here?
Multiply with 6.
Root of 6 over root of 6.
Yes, we'll multiply with root of 6 over root of 6, which will be root of 6 over 6. And that's all for C. Now it's my turn. You will solve. I am not that bad. Solve B. Okay?
Me, teacher? Or everyone?
Everyone, of course, not only.
Okay.
B or D?
You will solve B.
B.
Then I will solve D for you.
Okay.
Okay? I'm waiting. Okay, when you will be ready, say, teacher, I am ready. While you're solving, I will take the attendance at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
This is for fifth lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Yusuf, are you here? Yusuf? I saw his name, but Yusuf came now. Yusuf? Anita?
Here, teacher.
Alexander?
I'm here, teacher.
Eva?
I'm here, teacher.
Amra? 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 Are you here? I saw her name.
Teacher, she's here, but probably has problems with her laptop or internet.
Jonah?
Yes, teacher.
And Stephanie?
Teacher.
Okay.
I'm sorry, my mic won't go on.
Okay, okay, Amra. And Fatih? Fatih? Maria?
Teacher, I'm here.
Inga?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Ardita?
I am here, teacher.
Okay. Arta?
I'm here.
Ravana?
Here.
Stop.
Here.
Stop. Sanche? Are you here?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Rumesa?
I'm here.
Sarah?
I'm here.
Ermal?
I'm here.
Hamza? No. Besan? Besan?
Here.
Here. Haydi bakalım. And we have our new student, but I don't have her name in the list. Elsa is here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, did you solve?
Yes,
Who solved?
my teacher, Eva.
Eva solved. Then? Someone else? Eva, what is your result?
2 squared 2. It's my result.
2,
It's final. This final.
yeah, final one. 2 square root of 2 only. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the same result, the others?
Teacher, just a second, if you can wait.
Second is too fast.
A minute,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay.
Excuse me, teacher, which
Yes.
one did you say that we should solve now?
B. B.
Okay.
Oops, I cleaned. 2, it was Eva's answer.
Teacher, my answer is root of 2 only.
Only root of 2. We have 1 root of 2 only. The others, Stringer?
No, 2 root of 2, sorry.
So you have 2 root of
My answer is same as Eva's. 2 root of 2.
2 root of 2.
2 root of 2, teacher.
2 root of 2. Yona?
Teacher, it's same for me.
Okay.
2
The
root of
others? Salman, ask Salman. Lisa? Stanche? Do you have the same result?
No, I haven't finished, teacher.
Okay, so let's solve root 2 over 2 minus root 2 plus root 2 over 2 plus root 2.
Teacher,
Yes,
Amra said that she's in the waiting room.
she's in the waiting room. Why? I cannot see. Okay, now I saw her. Okay. Now here in the previous lesson, we solved a question. Now I will show you how you can do one more way. For example, I will take only the first fraction to root 2 over 2 minus root 2, and I will rationalize this one separately. So with which number I will multiply this one?
With 2 plus root of 2.
2 plus root of 2 over 2 plus root of 2 it will be. Then I have root 2 times 2, which is 2 root 2 plus this plus root 2 times root 2 will be 2 itself, yes? Over, we have here 2 minus root 2 times 2 plus root 2. Now, today I'm writing all the steps, guys, for you to be more understandable. But when you will solve more questions, you can directly write that this one will be 2 square minus root of 2 square, okay? Not
Okay.
this step.
Yeah.
Directly from here, you can write that this is 2 square minus root of 2 square. And here I have 2 root 2 plus 2. Then what I will have, root 2 plus 2 over, this one is 4 minus 2, which is the result 2 root 2 plus 2 over 2. Can I do a simplification here?
Mm,
Yes.
Look, I have 2 in the numerator. If I will take it in front of the parentheses, I will have root 2 plus 1 over 2, this 2,
yes, yes.
and we'll have only root 2 plus 1 as a result of this first fraction. The same thing I will do for the second fraction. Root 2 over 2 plus root 2 now. And now we are multiplying with
2 minus root of 2.
2 minus root of 2 over 2 minus root of 2. Then it will be root 2 minus 2, yes? Over
Over
2 square minus root of 2 square. So I have here, as you see, 2 root 2 minus 2 over here I will have 4 minus 2, which is 2 root 2 minus 2 over 2. Then again the same thing, I am taking 2 in front of the parentheses. Root 2 minus 1 I have over 2. These 2's will go and the result will be root 2 minus 1. Now I'm writing in the question, the first fraction becomes root 2 plus 1 plus the second fraction is root 2 minus 1.
minus 1.
Plus 1 minus 1 will go. I have 2 root 2 as a result. Yes, you had the same answer. Who didn't have can check what is the mistake, or if you didn't understand, ask me. Okay? Are we clear with this?
Yeah.
Teacher,
Yes.
root of 2 plus 1.
What?
Why root of 2 plus 1 in the end? Teacher?
Here?
Yes.
Yes.
Look
No.
here, I will write it here one more time. I have 2 root 2 plus 2 over 2. Yes? Alexander?
Yes, teacher.
So here, as you see, I have 2 and 2 common. I'm taking it in front of the parentheses. So what is left? Root 2 is left from the first one plus. I have taken this one, these 2 and 1 is left here. And over 2. These 2's will cancel each other and the result will be root 2 plus 1. Okay.
Yeah, I get it, this teacher, but why plus 1?
Because you have here plus 2 and I'm taking that 2, 1 is left. When you have this one more time, I will write. When you have this, two root 2 plus 2. 2 is in common, yes? So I'm taking in front of parentheses. Root 2 from the first term, root 2 is left, plus I have taken this 2. When I am taking that 2, 1 is left instead of it.
Ah, yeah, teacher. Okay.
So when I will multiply again, I will get 2 here. I have to get that 2, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Because 2 times 1 is 2,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes. It's okay? Are we clear with this?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So here I have some different questions with rationalizing denominator. Which one to solve together?
C.
C, of course.
First one, teacher, A.
A, first one. Hi, Alexander. Let's solve first one with you. I have 1 over root 3 plus 1 over root 2. Then what we'll do? We need to rationalize the denominators to make the operation. Then how I will rationalize the denominator of the first one?
Times 3 over 3.
Root 3
Or
times root 3 over root 3. Yes, Alexander?
yes.
Then for the second
So
one,
it will 1 over root of 2 times root of 2
over root
over root of 2.
Yes. Then what is here? 1 times root of 3,
Root of 3
3 over
root of 3 square.
which is
No.
9, root of 9. Plus, here I have root of 2
Plus
over
root of 4.
root of 4. Then what we have? Root of 3 over, what is root of 9?
3
3 plus
plus root of 2 over root over 2.
2. So here, as you see now, we don't have radical expressions in the denominator. So I need to do the addition now. To make the addition, what I
6, teacher.
Huh?
For both of them are 6.
Okay, so we need to make the denominators 6, which I will multiply
Yes.
the first fraction by 2, the second one by 3.
3.
Then what I will
So
get?
it will be
2 root
6
3 over 6
plus 3 root 2 over 6.
Yes, now I have the same denominators, and then I will get 2 root
2 plus 3
No, 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 over
plus 3
6.
root 2 over
That's
6.
all. You cannot do this addition because the radicals are different, okay?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. We solved with Alexander A. Who wants to solve B together? I mean, he or she will tell, I will write. Or I will choose. Fatih?
Teacher, I am solving C in my notebook.
Okay, bravo, Sama. Thank you. Fatih, we will solve together this one.
Yes.
Right. Let me write the question. Is this 3 plus 1 plus 2 over root 3 minus 1? Yes. Now what we'll do? You want to do it separately or directly in the equation? Hi, Fatih.
Teacher, can we do it separately like the other one?
Yes, why not? Fatih, I am trying to rationalize the denominator of the first one, 3 over root 3 plus 1. So I need to multiply and divide with the
Roots of 3 minus 1.
Minus 1 over root of 3 minus 1. Then what we'll get?
3 root of 3.
Yes.
Minus 3.
Minus 3 over what we have here. I will have root 3 squared, which is
3.
3. Let me write here root 3 square minus what will have 1 square. Yes.
Yes.
So I have 3 root 3 minus 3 over
3
3
minus
minus 1, which is over 2
2.
is the first one. Yes.
Yes.
For the second one, we have 2 over root
Roots of 3
3
minus
minus
1.
1. And we'll multiply this one by
Roots of 3 plus 1.
root of 3 plus 1 over root of 3 plus 1. Then what we'll get?
2 root of 3
2 root of 3
plus 2.
plus 2
Root of 3 square
yes,
minus 1 square.
yes. Then we'll get 2 root 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 1
Minus 1.
is 2 root 3 plus 2 over.
Minus.
Now I'm writing in the question what we get. 3 root 3 minus 3 over 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 over 2. Now we have denominators same, and can we write directly?
Yes.
Yes.
And we'll have 3 root 3 minus 3 plus 2 root
2
3
of
plus 2 over 2. Now what we'll do in numerator? I have,
3 root.
look, root 3, root 3.
They are
So
same,
the,
yes.
yes, they are same. So I can add them. I will have 5 root
Root of
3.
3
And here I have minus 3 plus 2
minus 1.
minus 1 over 2. And this is the result for B. It's okay? Are we clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, are you writing? Wait a bit for writing.
Teacher, can I solve C?
Of course, why not? If you have finished writing the others, I can clean it and we can solve C if you want. Are you writing or we can continue?
And continue.
We can continue.
Salman, do you have the question? Can you tell me the question
Yes,
to write
yes.
here?
5 over
Yes.
2 root of 2 times the root of 3 minus root of 11.
One
2
more.
root of 2 root of
Uh-huh.
3 minus root of 11.
Okay. 2 root 3 minus root of 11. Then
And the other one minus
minus
2 over
2 over
2 root of 3
2 root 3
plus 11 plus the root of 11.
11. Okay.
Teacher, now we first do the 5 over 2 root of 3
Okay.
minus root of 11.
I'm taking here 5 over 2 root 3 minus root of 11.
Root of 11. And teacher, now we multiply this with 2 root of 3 plus root of 11.
Okay.
Both, yeah.
And
2 root of 3
yes.
plus root of 11.
Okay.
And now, teacher, 5 times 2 root of 3 is 10 root of 3.
Yes.
And 5 times root of 11 is 5 root of 11.
Okay.
And teacher, in this, in the over,
Yes.
in the denominator, teacher, we write 2 root of 3.
Yes.
In the power of 2 minus
Yes.
root of 11 in the power of 2.
Okay. Then.
And now, teacher, we write the numerator as it is.
Okay.
Because
10
there's
root of 3 Yes.
because there's no way how to solve it.
Yes.
Then teacher, we write 4 times 3 because 2 in the power of 2 is 4 and
Yes.
the root of 3 is 3 and 11 we write
Minus 11. Okay. So we have,
we write again the numerator as it is,
okay,
and then we do 12 minus 11,
12
which is
minus
1, and
11.
the solution for this is the 10 root of 3 plus 5
Plus
root of
5
11.
root of 11. Okay. Then I'm taking the second one. We have 2 over
2 root of 3 minus root of 11.
plus root of 11, I think.
Plus root of 11, yes.
Yes, okay.
And now we multiply this with 2 root of 3 minus root of 11
Okay.
over 2 root of 3
Minus root of 11.
11. And now teacher, 2 times 2 root of 3 is 4 root of 3
Okay.
minus 2 root of 11.
Okay.
And over 2 root of 3 in the power of 2
Yes.
minus root of 11 in the power of 2.
Okay. Now, in this case, guys, because we have the same thing as this one, you don't have to write all the steps again, okay? Because you have the same operations. So we can write directly that this one will
4 root of 3 minus 2 root of 11.
be, yes. Because this one is 1, and directly don't do the same things again and again because you have done in the first one, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Now,
We go up and we write 10 root of 3
yes,
plus 5 root of 11
5 root of
minus 4 root of 3
4 root of 3. Don't forget to write the parentheses here because you have minus.
yes, minus 2 root of 11.
2 root of 11. Then we will have
10 root of 3 plus 5 root of 11 minus 4 root of 3 plus 2 root of
yes,
11.
the sign will change. So we have the same radicals, 10 root of 3,
6 root of
root
3,
of 3,
6 root of 3 and plus 7 root of 11.
and plus 7 root of 11. Okay, thank you very much, Salman. Did we understand?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so here we are finishing the square roots and these rationalizing denominators and the properties of square roots. Next lesson, we will have again radical expressions, but not square roots. We'll have different indexes and we'll work with them.
Teacher, what is our homework?
Your homework is to practice the questions that we didn't solve with about rationalizing. I'm not asking you to send me, okay, I am, for example, the D we didn't solve, or here, the ones that we didn't solve. It's your homework, but it's for practicing, for yourself, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Teacher, can I ask you what page are these?
One more time.
What page are the exercises?
Did you take the books from school?
Which book?
Math.
Exactly.
I
Math
mean,
book, but
this one is from Pre-Algebra 1, from last year's book.
I have that book.
Pre-Algebra 1, last pages, but I don't have the book with me now. Guys, if you have the book with you, can you help your friend?
Teacher 284, I think.
284 or 85, in that pages it has to be. Let me check now, I found the PDF.
It's okay, I will find it, teacher.
Okay, so
No
it's
problem.
like 288, 89 in that pages, okay? You can check,
Okay,
find the questions.
okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, we are finishing the lesson here. I think, yeah, we have 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
One more.
One more. Okay, see you next lesson.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teachers. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Your lessons
Bye.
are always
Teacher,
very
bye.
interesting. Goodbye.
Bye.